Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy in 2020, the best YouTube tool for growing your channel. So if you click up here, this is the TubeBuddy icon. Once you've downloaded it, all you need to do first is click on Keyword Explorer. So today, if I was going to create this video and I was thinking of making it around TubeBuddy, which I did, I would type in TubeBuddy. But if you see here, the algorithm for TubeBuddy is telling me that this would be a poor keyword choice, okay? Because although the search volume is really high, the competition is too weighted, so there's too many people making videos around this keyword, okay? But the optimization strength is good, it's in the green, okay? But this one here, it's got way too much competition, okay? So then we have to start exploring, how can we get this closer to 100? So let's look at TubeBuddy 2020. Okay, so it's got a lot higher now, so as you can see, that is 22 out of 100. Okay, the search volume is still good. The competition's a little bit less than it was, and there's lots of opportunity to optimize this keyword. Okay, so then once you keep playing around, so I went back to TubeBuddy and it gives me all the related links here. I was playing around, and in the end I thought, why don't I type in how to use TubeBuddy, and then lots more suggestions come up here. So I typed this and then I ended up with how to use TubeBuddy in 2020, because this was a 2 out of 100, whereas have a look at this, this was a 40 out of 100, which obviously is a lot higher than any of the previous ones. So I could see here there was still quite a lot of people searching for this, but the competition was much less, sorry, and there was still lots of opportunity to optimize this keyword. So that was one of the keywords I used, and as you can see, I just made a note here and I put YouTube tools this time, and as you can see, the keyword I come up with, so I put YouTube tools. I won't go through this too much. You got to see it came out as a 6 out of 100. Then I carried on going and going, and in the end I came up with best YouTube tools to grow your channel, and look at the difference here. So 47. So there's still a high search volume, the competition is much less weighted, and the optimization strength is still high, so I can still there's still lots of opportunities to outrank our competitors. So that's the keyword explorer. So that's one of the main things before you start your YouTube videos with TubeBuddy. So that's all about your YouTube SEO. You also have down here the common video tag. So once you've done creating your YouTube video, I'm going to show you what that would look like. So if I go to my YouTube studio, we could see that sell the trend one there. We'll just click on that just to see what that looks like. Go to your videos, right, sell the trend. So if I go to details of sell the trend, if I scroll down, when you've added the TubeBuddy app, you'll see down here there's tags, and these tags, okay, I use them from my title. So sell the trend review, so I'll show you how I did that. So if I went here, keyword explorer, sell the trend review, down here in this section, these common video tags are going to load, okay? So once they load, what we can do, so you can see them all here, I can do 2 video tag limit, and that will add all the video tags that I can have, and then I can put insert into current video, which is what I did. and then if you go down to here, those are all the video tags I use, so I didn't even need to think of them. Okay, they were used from all the top page rankings for Sell the Trend Review, so I know the ones that were working. Okay, so that is the Keyword Explorer. The next part of why TubeBuddy is so amazing is the SEO Studio. So if we click here, and as you can see, I wanted to rank for Sell the Trend Review. So let me type that in, and we can see how optimized our videos are for that keyword. So Sell the Trend Review. Right, what that does is it has an algorithm here which says include your target keyword in the title, which you can see here I've done. Include 80% of your target keyword in the title. Yep, that's there. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. I've done it right at the start, not at the end. So I've done that. Include your target keyword naturally in the title. So I haven't just written Sell the Trend Review. I've put find winning products in 2020. Include your target keyword in the first 200 characters of the description. You can see it's here. It highlights it for you. I've actually got it first in the description. It's also here and here, which says include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. So you can see it's all optimized in here. Okay, if I go next, it'll want your keyword as the first tag. So include your exact target keyword as the first tag, which I've done. Include partial matches of your keyword. I've done them here, as you can see, and include more relevant tags. So Sell the Trend is a drop shipping tool, so you can see drop shipping, Shopify, and so on. Okay, so that is the main two aspects of TubeBuddy. Okay, and then just before I go on to the last one, if we look at best time to publish, so lots of people ask what is the best time to publish. This gives you some great advice. So if I click here, if you just scroll through, I'll tell you exactly what it says. It basically says the best time to publish is in the morning of the main country you're targeting. So if you're making videos for the US as your main country, then you want to be publishing your videos in the morning of US time zones. If it's in the UK, in the morning of UK time zones, and whatever country, always try to publish in the morning consistently. Okay, consistently is the key. So if you keep the same time when you publish, whether it's every day, do it at the same time. If it's every week, do it at the same time, or every month at the same time. Okay, consistency is the key with YouTube. Okay, so that's the main aspects before I show you this last bit here, which is TubeBuddy Analytics. So I want to show you this because at the moment I have only got 110 subscribers so far, and before I move on to the analytics, my subscribers have literally tripled since I've had TubeBuddy. Okay, and that's just by optimizing the titles, the video tags. Okay, so that is the reason why YouTube SEO is so important. Before I was just making the videos and just putting them up with making up my own tags. Okay, now TubeBuddy does it all for me. It optimizes it to the best of the algorithm. Okay, which is a lot better than what I could think of. So it's already tripled. I've only had it for a couple of months. Okay, and our target is to get to 1,000 subscribers before we make 100 videos. So I think this is the 46th video. So please subscribe because we want to reach our 1,000 subscribers by the time we get to 100 videos, and we'll keep making content like this. Okay, but what I wanted to show you is you can see all the views that are going up. You can see your watch time, okay, and your subscribers. So I can see all the increase here on TubeBuddy, okay, and you can see your top video in this monthly period. So this is in a 28-day period. The next one I want to show you, and the most important one, is audience. So audience, if I do the last 28 days, we can see that US and UK are my top countries for watching, which is great because they're two of my countries that I want to be targeting. This is really interesting here. The age range for everyone watching my videos is 25 to 34. I haven't had anyone younger than that or older than that. Every single person is between 25 and 34. Okay, so I can clearly see my target age range. Okay, we can see it's very balanced between females and males, so there's not really a dominant gender watching my videos, so that I would leave that as mixed if I was targeting ads to these videos. Okay, this is why I think YouTube is so powerful. Watch time from subscribers in the last 28 days. I only have 110 subscribers so far. Okay, but only 4.8% of my watchers have been from my subscribers. So there's probably, if I've had 1.1, so 1,100 views this month, that means around 1,000 of my views have come from people that have not subscribed to my channel. So subscribers are not the be all and end all. Okay, there's lots of people that will be watching who don't subscribe to your channel. Okay, and there's lots of people that will be clicking your links that haven't subscribed to your channel. Okay, so don't worry about subscribers, because I can tell you I've made a lot of money for affiliate marketing with just a few subscribers. Okay, it's because that, like I said, there's lots of people that are not your subscribers that will click through to your links, okay, to your products or your services. So that is why I think YouTube is one of the best platforms to publish on at the moment, and it's why you need TubeBuddy to optimize your SEO to reach these people. Okay, so that's all for this video today. Before we go, there's a few things I want to show you. So we have a link in the description with an amazing discount for TubeBuddy. So you might be thinking that TubeBuddy must cost a lot to do all these awesome things. If we go to the link, okay, look, you can get TubeBuddy from $3.60 a month. Okay, it's that cheap. Okay, so I would recommend going with the Pro first before you move on to Star or Legend. Okay, the Pro has lots of tools, all those tools I've just showed you, to accelerate your YouTube channel. So I would use that link in the description if you want a discount. Okay, the other thing people ask me is, what do I use to edit my videos? And I always say I use Pinnacle Studios. So that link will be in the description if you want to check out Pinnacle Studios. Okay, I talked about affiliate marketing and only having 110 subscribers. Okay, this product is one I only promote on YouTube. So this month I've taken a screenshot. So this is an email I received. So just from one product this month, I got $143.99 from one of my affiliate partners. Okay, and as I said, this product I only promote on YouTube. So that's just one product, and I get lots of them coming in from other products. So as you can imagine, just with 110 subscribers, that's what I earn a month from various products. So that's just one product. Imagine what you could do if you had 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. Okay, and on that note, please help us reach 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe and like the channel. Okay, because I want to get to that 1,000 before I reach 100 videos, and it does take a lot of work making these videos. So I'd really appreciate it if you could just subscribe to help me get to the 1,000. Okay, before we go, I want to know in the comment section, if you've reached 1,000 subscribers yet, how many videos did it take you, and did you use a YouTube SEO tool? If you haven't reached 1,000 subscribers yet, please let us know how many subscribers you're on and how many videos you've made. Last of all, if you would like to check out our blog, I'll put that in the link in the description below. So our blog has various digital marketing content on here. So this has been a really popular blog at the moment, how to start a successful blog and make over $11,000 per month. So this is just one of the articles. Okay, so you can check that yourself and check out our other articles. If we go back to the blog, okay, you'll see all the different types of articles we have. Okay, and you can see the categories up here. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.